How to update your annual income in PayPal. Now, updating your annual income is beneficial because you can have a higher credit limit within your PayPal credit. Now, you cannot update it within PayPal.com directly as I'm logged in here. You actually have to go to PayPal Credit to update it there. So let's go there. Once you transfer it over to PayPal Credit, go ahead and click Profile at the top. And then you're going to scroll down and click on where it says Edit PayPal Credit Profile. When you do that, most likely is going to want to confirm your identity before you continue. I have it set up to send the code to my phone number, and I will just go ahead and click Send it as text. Once you go through that process and you are confirmed, then you can scroll down and you can go ahead and update your annual income. But it has to be after taxes, not before taxes. And once you update it, just go to the bottom and click Update PayPal Credit Profile, and you're done. That's all that I have for you. Stay happy.